Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you a few ways how you can delete an application on iPhone once and for all. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, and let's get started. Now the easiest, and I think the most obvious way to do this is to find the app on your desktop screen that you want to uninstall. Next, we click on it. Next, we click Remove App and confirm our action, Delete App. Once again, we press Delete, and the app has been deleted. Another way. If you can't find the application icon on the work screen, you don't have it, then you can find it by swiping your finger down the screen. You get a search bar to search for applications on your phone. And you can select some app. You'll get it right up here at the top. Next, we press right on it, pinch it. And then we have Delete App. We can also click on it. In order to confirm our actions, we will just have to press Delete, after which the app will be deleted. Another way you can go to the library of applications. To do this, we need to swipe to the left side of the screen. Here we have App Library appearing. And we can see that we have all of our apps categorized like this. For example, social networking. We also have here travel, for example, and so on. Different apps are automatically categorized by the phone itself. So you can either search for an app in any of these menus, or you can either select an application in the search bar. And once you find an app, you have to tap and hold on the app icon itself. That's how it works. You also get the delete function here as well. After you select, you need to confirm this action, after which this app will be permanently deleted. And the last method that you can use is to go into your phone settings, and then we're gonna go to General, and then iPhone Storage. And here you'll see a list of all the applications that you have installed on your phone. Here you can also yourself choose the application that you want to delete. And in order to delete it, you'll just have to swipe it to the left side. It's like this. I'll show you again. You take it, you find the app, and you swipe to the left side. Okay, great. Now you see, you have the word delete appearing here. After you confirm this action, pause. You need to press delete again, and the app will be deleted. These are such a few ways how you can permanently delete apps from your iPhone device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. See you later.